Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can annotate on Microsoft Themes. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, go to your Microsoft Themes website or desktop or app or whatever device that you're using. And now that you're here, you will go ahead and click Meet section. And once you're here, you will just have to again join a meeting if you haven't yet, and just wait for it to connect. So once you're here, what you will have to do is when someone shares their screen or PowerPoint, you will just have to click annotate or share tray and then click whiteboard, and then you will just have to basically use the pen, the highlighter, or the text tools so that you will be able to write on the shared content. And other participants can also annotate if allowed. And to stop this, you will just have to click close whiteboard or stop sharing annotations. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.